Hey there traders, this is Shane from tradingplan.com, and I just want to walk through the end basically of the US dollar Japanese yen swing trade that I had highlighted in the previous video that you can see below here on my blog, or if you're on YouTube, it's right below this video here. And this is where I went long up here, and the 87.52 was the price I went long at. This is the first target right here that we scaled out, right? 87.86. I covered that in my video, and my previous video, and I still had an open position. Now, what happened was the market came up overnight while I was sleeping, more than halfway to my final target. And when I finally rolled out of bed this morning, New York time, and got to my charts to start some day trading, the market pulled back. So I actually marketed out right here at 87.80. So I'm going to show you the chart, see how this all played out, so you can get a good handle on it. And also going to bring up a euro-yen trade that I got into late last night, around 11ish. That's when I saw the setup, and got that set up in my platform, and I'll just walk you through that as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the US dollar Japanese yen trading chart. All right, now here's the chart. Here's the first part of the position off at 34. All right, and as you know, when we get through here, go to break even on this trade. Now you can see what's going to happen here. The market's going to push up to this area here, around 88 and change. And my other target is up here at 88.22. So I was about 11 pips away from another full target, which would have been an extra 34 pips from here to here. So an extra 68 from here to here on my last position. But unfortunately, the target here was 88.23, 88.22. Even if I would have bumped it down to 20, so it didn't have to break, the 20 level, the zero, it wouldn't have mattered. I wouldn't have got filled on this trade. Came back around and just followed this line over, and here's where I get out at plus 28. We have some setups that happen during the day that we just pass on. You don't look for these, and this is where they are sitting at right now. All right, so the US dollar Japanese yen trade, the final positions ended at plus 28. And then, obviously the first chunk off at plus 34. So let me just take you through the euro-yen setup, and we'll cut this video. All right, here's the euro-yen. Here was the setup. Here is about 10 after 11 last night, New York time. And I did something a little bit different on this trade. With my broker, I can use a trailing stop. Now, I day trade as well, so I'm in the markets every single day. And there's just really no follow through in the markets. None. So what I really wanted to do was make sure I secured some profit on these trades, especially this one. And I'm going to walk you through, why this one kind of, kicks me a little bit. But in the end, it doesn't matter. Here's the scale outs, plus 26, plus 25. All right. But what I did, here's the stop way down here. And we'll look at the charts in the actual trading chart, the OANDA chart, the broker chart in a second here. But what I did is I took the stop distance on this trade here was, let me just bring it up here, 32 pips. And I put a trailing stop on. So the market, as it was going in my favor, tick by tick, it would keep a 32 pip distance, unless the market was pulling back, and then of course the stop would move, right? That's the whole point of a trailing stop. So as the market got up here, okay, the trailing stop was falling in behind. So what happens, the first portions are taken out at plus 26, but as you can see, the market comes up this high to 114.75. My target on this trade was 114.82. Just like the previous trade, just so close to ultimate target. But what are you going to do? This is 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm fast asleep. But the trailing stop, what that did, it got me out at plus 25, because as this market moved up here, it was still trailing behind, 30 odd pips. So the market pulled back, took me out, didn't matter, still banked 25 pips on this. All right, so just over 50 pips overnight while I slept. Compare that to the US dollar yen. It took a few more days, a couple of sleeps. But let's just take a look at the OANDA chart, just so you know I'm not just blowing smoke, right? Let's take a look. All right, here's the chart. Here's the entry price was at 114.22. Here's the target that got hit, and you see it spikes up, right? Market keeps going up, but trailing stop was coming up behind. This orange dot or peach, whatever color that is, took me out at 114.47. All right. This here is just a day trade that went to target. Shorted at 53 or something like that. I can't remember exactly. Was that 93, 95, whatever that is there. And here's the target right here. I was setting up to go short again, but we got into noon time, and I don't trade past 11 o'clock usually, unless I'm already in a trade. And I wasn't. And this one, I was looking to go short at 72. I was looking for about 20 odd pips, and definitely made that as well. I didn't bank this. As you can see, these didn't trigger in. So this is the only day trade I took right here was the euro yen. So that's what I wanted to show you. Here's the euro yen triggers in here at 22. First scale out, second scale out on a trailing stop. Perfect. And as you know, if you attend the webinar today, the Ultimate Swing Trader is on the market. It's ready to go, and with the VIP access, I'm going to give you a link here. You can just click that. Check out the Ultimate Swing Trader page, and you know what? The price is right. The support is fantastic, and there should be a replay on the blog as well, and I'll bring that link up too. Okay, it's actually 7:51 right now, New York time, and the blog, the UST blog, has not been updated with the webinar recording, but check out the package itself. www.tradingplan.com. Just go to Ultimate Swing Trader, and that will bring you to the information page. And actually, you're going to find some videos on there as well, and they're my live trades as well. And UST, the blog itself, if you're still on the fence, there's some videos on there you can check out. There is no order link there at this present time, but you can always head out to the top link right here and pick up your copy. Just go to there we go. tradingplan.com, Ultimate Swing Blog. All right, so that's that. Let's wrap her up. So there's the two trades, as promised, and I want to make sure I showed you the broker platform, okay? Because there's a lot of scams out there, it, and we NetPicks, we walk the talk. It's not just here buy our strategies because we use it. Proof positive. All right. Anyways, take care. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.